Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in last video we have seen how to create the login page. So this was our login page. In this video we will see how to create the register page with the help of HTML. So let's start. First we have to give the HTML tab, then the head tab. In head we have to give title of the page. So my title is register page. Then we have to close the title. Now close the head tab. Then our body of the page will start. So in body, what we need, first we need the name. So we'll give name. For the name, our input type will be text. Let's save this code first. So the page name I'm giving the register.html. So for the name, our input type is text. Then name as name only. Then we'll give size for the name. So size will give as a 15, and the max length for this will give as a 30. Then the placeholder will give placeholder as enter your name. Enter your name, and let's close this. Let's break this statement so it will easy for us. Then next we are giving father name. So for the father name, same we are having input type as text only. So we'll just copy this line and paste here. So for the father name, our input type will be text. Our name will be father name. Then size will be 50. Max length is 30. And in placeholder, we will write as enter your father name. So this will be the second. Then we'll give as a mother name. So next our field will be mother name. Same for the mother name. Our input type will be text. Name will be the mother name. Then size will be the 50. Max length is 30 and placeholder name is enter your mother name. Then we'll enter our email ID. So email ID, same for the email ID. Our input type will be the email. Then our the max length for this will be the 50. For the email, we don't need the name. The size will be the 50, max length will be the 30, and placeholder will as enter your email ID. Then next we have to give our gender. So for the gender, we will use the radio button. For this, we need to give input type as a radio. Then our name will be the gender. Then our size and the max length. Size will be the 50, max length will be 30, and our placeholder will be enter your gender. Then next we'll enter In gender, we will give as a two values. So first one will be the male and second one will be the female. So for that, after max length, we need to give the value as a male. Here we give as a male. The second value will give as a female. So let's just copy this only. Just paste it here. Then here we'll do as a female. Enter your gender and this will be the female. So we have done until this. Let's first save this and let's check first. So we need to close our body tab, then our HTML tab. Let's save it again. Let's run it. So our code is saved at desktop, the register.html. So we just need to double click on this. So it will show like this. So you can see it is showing in a single line only. So let's break these statements. So what we do, we'll just add one break in every statement. So it will goes to the next line. Let's save it and just refresh our page. So you can see it is goes to next line. Let's add one more so it will look good for this. Let's save it. Just refresh it. Here we can add the background color as well. So in body we can give background color. We can give color as red or anything. Let's give red first. Let's refresh it. So let's do the next coding first, then we'll add the background color as well. So then we have to enter the phone number. So next we have the phone number. For the phone number, we'll give the same. Our input type will be the number for the mobile number, or you can give text as well. So give, let's give text. Then name will be the phone number. Then size will give 50. Then max length will be the 50. Here we are not going to add any value. So let's delete it. Then placeholder will be enter your phone number. And let's delete this. So we have added our phone number. Then we have to add our date of birth. For that, date birth. Then for this, we need the same input type. Here we are giving input type as date. Then our name will be date of birth. And then we don't need the placeholder for this. And we don't need value as well. Just save it. Let's go to Chrome and just refresh it. So you can see our the phone number and date of birth is here. So here you can see we need to break this statement. So let's add break here for the phone number and the date of birth as well. Let's refresh it once. Then here as well, we can do the max length and the size, so it will look different. Let's give it. So this is our page we have created. From here you can just select your date of birth, you can enter your mobile number, you can select the gender, then you can enter your email ID, same name, father's name, mother's name. Now let's add the background color. So for this we need to write BG color. Let's give color as a red, and we have to give the button as well, the register button. So let's add this button. For button we will give as button. For this we'll give input type. So for this we'll give input type as a button, or you can give submit as well. Then we'll give value for this as a submit only. Submit, and just close this bracket. Let's save this and let's refresh it. So what we have add the background color and our button. So let's edit our button once. We'll just remove this and just again refresh it. So we have got our button as well. Or else you can give as a, so this is our register page. You can just change your color as well. You can select the date of birth, you can select this, then you can just submit it. So for the submit button let's try something else. So let's remove this, we want the button here only, so let's try it. So for the button let's give input type as a submit, and the value will be submit. Let's save this and let's refresh our page. So we'll get our submit button. If you want you can just, let's remove this background color, and currently our page is the left align. Let's make it at the center. So after body we'll just add one tab as a center, and before body we'll just close this, slash center. Let's save it and let's run it. So our background color is removed and our page is center aligned now. So in this way you can create this simple HTML page.